Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna reset your service required notification or lights on your 2019 Hyundai Tucson. So this can be done on a 2014 to 2019. Let's go inside the car. Okay, so turn the engine on. So you can see there the service required. Basically it's just for oil change. So this is how you're gonna reset it. So using these keys here, right here. So we have the up and down arrow, the like a square, menu setting here, and the OK button. So these are the only buttons you're gonna use. So press this menu setting thing, then go to setting, then use this arrow down, go to service interval, press OK. Then over here you can see the enable service, adjust interval, and reset. So you go to reset, press OK, and here you go. So reset time and distance. You can just press no, yes, no. So right now I'm not gonna reset it, so I'm gonna press no. Then go to enable service. So over here you can use the enable service if you want to. So you can just like select or unselect it. So I'm gonna select it because I want a reminder every specific kilometers or months I want to have my oil change. So you can also use the adjust interval. So over here you can adjust how many kilometers every time that service required lights turns on. So mine was set to 6,000 kilometers or 3 months. So I think 3 months is too short for me, so since I'm not using this car that much, so I'm gonna set it to 4 months. Press OK, save. There you go. So the interval service is changed to 4 months or 6,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. So that's how you set the interval for service required, and how you reset to get rid of that service required notification or lights on your Hyundai Tucson 2014 to 2019. Thank you.